Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday. I'm almost packed up. I had previously put on my you're so annoying. I had previously put on my stops today a coffee shop that has breakfast and lunch. Trick for you guys. When you're leaving on a trip and you're going somewhere, there's no guarantee you'll have cell phone service. So what I did was I had navigated to and stored some places that I definitely wanted to go on this trip. And so therefore, this morning I woke up, there's no cell phone service for an hour and a half from here easily. So luckily I had everything here, so I keyed it in or pulled the stored POIs and noticed it's 150 miles from here. So it means some breakfast at the camp. I had a couple of options with me. Gumbo, some breakfast scramble, just a couple of things. See, I always bring about 3 freeze-dried meals in the event that I wake up and there's no good option for breakfast. I also brought some kind protein bars. But what I usually do on these trips is I usually eat the bulkiest item first. So we have here a whole only 680 calories and 60% of today's sodium for breakfast calories. That's for 2, obviously, but we're gonna obviously not eat the whole thing today. I also have my MSR 4-liter dromedary. I used to carry a 1-gallon Rotopax with me, either right behind me on the GS, and then or in the top box. But it's too over-engineered. I don't need something that can be puncture-proof to that level of, I don't have a place to mount it at the moment. So I grabbed this guy. What's great about this, as I use the water, it's going to get smaller. So yeah, I think this is going to be the way I do it. I can hang it from a tree if I need to. And then finally we have our jet boil right there. And then we have our little titanium kit. And of course, gotta hit the Claritin and the Aleve. And just so you guys are aware, we're gonna be drinking real Canadian water today. If they weren't screwing around with the portion sizes. Look at this mountain of food. I'm gonna eat like that much, like 1/3 of it. That's a lot of food. All right. The Brent Crater, discovered in 1951. We're gonna go up here and check it out. Oh, so we're on the edge of we took the road, came in. So I guess we're on the edge of it. So it's right over there. Huh. Wow. They're out. Got some chance the wrapper going. Got 20 more miles of this. Whoop. That was a big rock. 20 more miles of this to do. Then we're on the interstate heading back west toward a coffee shop I had found, the only coffee shop between here and like civilization. And where are we going after that? Who knows? Okay, I could help myself. I'm gonna see what it's like on unmaintained roads back here. That does not, but it's only about 200 yards long. Famous last words, right guys? Yeah, famous last words. I'm surprised it's even on the map. It's not that this is a bad road, it's just that these things can turn into slop very quickly because there's no trees or vegetation to soak up rain. Oh, the deer. That was cool to see. It says take a right right there. I'm not seeing that. Yeah, there's a deer over there. Oh, he scared the shit out of him. I probably wasn't turning around. Just so I don't get royally foobarred up here. I just don't see how that would work. We'll turn it around. Let's do this. Yeah, we'll turn around here. Nope, 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 nope. Not today. There we go. Oh yeah, that's pretty rooted. Alright, we're about 2 hours from the cafe. I may not actually go in for anything more than an espresso because I don't want to get to my final destination tonight too late. I aimed to leave the campsite at like 9. I ended up leaving more like 10. So I've lost an hour. It'd be great to have more than an hour of daylight tonight. Anyway, back on the road. We're on this for a while. Like, yeah, 2.5 hours. I don't need miles. There we go. 134 miles to our wow. Lake Huron. Look at this. That is the largest Canadian flag that I've seen so far on this trip. And I'm seeing it 5 miles from the US border. I bet you can see that freaking flag from the USA over there. That thing's huge. Since Ottawa, I haven't seen any big cities, and this city has population 75,000. That's the largest city since Ottawa I've passed through. They've all been like 300 people to maybe 3,000. Nothing this large. There's tomorrow's bridge. This is the bridge to the US from Canada. Yes, that is red, white, and blue.